Okay, so let's continue. So today we are going to look at how to create our message and send to the people that you want those message to go to. So you have to log in. I have done that. Then you click on the menu, the menu. You click on it. Then you go to messaging. You go to messaging. Very important. Go to messaging. You click on it. Then you go to SMS. You click on it. Then you can schedule, you can send SMS, you can schedule your SMS. You can also, you have SM templates. So let's say for instance you want to send a message to one person, so you go to send. Then you enter your sender ID, the ID that you have created. I have created Constek, so I've created Constek, and I also created Moses. So the message type, I want text. Okay, then you can type in the message that you want. Okay, let me put here, you are welcome to Constek IT services, where we provide professional training such as website development, video editing, graphic design, etc. So this is the message that I want to send. Then who do I want to send this message to? So I'll click on this. If you can copy the number and paste it over here, so I'll click on that button. Then I'll add the numbers. So let's assume I want to send it to 2 people. I'll add their numbers. Okay, I'll add another one. Okay, so you click on add. Okay, so it means that these messages will be sent to these numbers. So immediately I click on send message, the message will go to them. So let's do that. Send. Okay, it is requesting. Okay, so you see the message has come. Look at it. It has come to my place. I've used my number. So see, very interesting. So we end over here. In our next lesson, you see the other message has come. In our next lesson, we'll be looking at how to use an Excel to do that. Thanks.